Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you the basics of Gaea. Gaea is a terrain creator. This is side by side comparison. Oh, there you go. So this one is indie one is 4K tile output build stack, right? And this one has more scripting, basic automation. This is enterprise level. Anyway, so if I start it, I get to pick what I want to work on. For example, you have two way of creating terrains. One is graph, one is layers. And this is what I use. I graph. Pretty much you can do whatever you want to do with it. So let's say usually you want to create a mountain, right? So what you want to do is just use this mountain, right? You get something going on here, right? Okay. Okay, let's just scale it. There you go. That's more like it. So after mountain you can displace it, then after that you can do like erosion. I see that gives you like nice mountain, like this is nice, very nice. This place like nice pattern, nice area. um and from here you can do various stuff. This is like the basic way you can do it. Let's say you created it, you're happy with it. Then you can do is like there we have no like landscape, right? We have no land. We can introduce a polyline to this. Right, polyline, then we can scale divs. Let's do something like this. um and then you can combine these two. You can also clamp it. Let's clamp it. Let's see how it looks. Clamp. You can drag it on top of this. It will connect automatically. So you have output, then input. Mask is for mask. Mask is for, I think, yeah, mask is a selector. Mask is for that. But most of the nodes has output, input. This one has mask. If you want to mask a specific area, so in clam you have minimum and maximum. So I can reduce the max, and you can see it reduce the height of the polygon noise. Then I can combine these two. So this is how it looks like, mountain, and this is going to be our ground. So if I combine, there's a combine node here. This is shortcut. I'll drop it on top of that. Combine, one of them is connected to input 1 and this one is going to go to input 2, right? So like both of them you can see. Now you have on combine you have like different methods. Blend is going to blend two of them together, like this. And also you can do add. So add, I like add because add is going to keep the mountain and add the noise. The breaker, what it does is that if we increase this, it creates those things, right? You know, that becomes river or lakes. Maybe increase. There you go. See that? Decrease the duration power. There you see that? See, it carves the landscape like as if, like, you know, snow is melting and it's gonna become a running water sediment. This puts like some kind of, this is very similar to, I think, to me it's very similar to like snow. Maybe this is too much. Yeah, this is more like it, because this is, you know, I can increase this as well. Let's bring in mask. Where is mask? Mask is here. All right, so mask, I'm gonna go to edit mask. I'm gonna draw, I have to see which side here. Let's say if I draw here. Okay, so this is the side of the map, right? So if I draw subterrace, right, and the mask goes here, and the output goes here. There you go. See if I see how it works. See, it's gonna this mask. It makes the mask the highlighted area, and whatever effects you do it, it will only influence that highlighted area. So if I go here, I see nothing else changed beside this area. So in here you can do like, I'm saying if let's see how the terrace looks like. Let's see if I bring the terrace here. And output goes here, mask goes here. There you go. This is terrace amount. There you go. Terrace looks much better. I think this is. You can combine both of them, but so let's go uniformity high. No, in the medium steepness. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. So let's say we have a mountain in the middle. Then we have this mask object, and then we can do. Let's try, and I'll show you the power of edit. I really like edit. No, not edit, draw. If I bring in draw here, this will let me draw. So assuming that the mountain is in the middle, right? So I'm gonna draw, like I'm gonna create like some lines on the side like this, right? Okay, so we know we have mountain in the middle, but we have nothing on the sides. All right, see how it nicely created mountains for us, right? Then we can combine this and that. So for right now, I'm gonna bring in auto level, right? So that we can increase the level. So we have a lot of control how tall this mountain is going to look like. So increase the strength. Yeah, something like this. Now we can do things like displace and erosion. There you go. So that it looks like real mountain, but created using draw, right, manually. I'll put it on this side. Now I can combine these two, right? Let's take this, drag it here. I should also add sediments to this. Sediment here goes there. There you go. I'm not gonna tweak too much. Just want to show you how it looks like. And then this combine is go here. I'm gonna add this to the second output, and this is what you have. Also, the blend is, I'm going to add this to it, right? It's going to be addition and increase the ratio, and you have a nice mountain range. You have mountains on the sides, and you have one huge mountain in the middle with the mask terrace, right? So if you click here, it gives you like first person view and see how it looks like from in-game. And you go to build. I'm gonna choose 16-bit PNG. Yeah, yes, 16p and go 4K. If you have a free version, you can go to 1K, but I'm gonna try 4K, see how long it takes me. And then I'm going to choose a destination. Let's say this is where I want to save. And then I'm going to add the node. The node you want to add is the last one, combine. And so let's go ahead and label this so that we don't get confused, because we have multiple combine, right? So I'm going to rename this to final combine. So if I go to build now, and everything is the same, add node, and I'm going to choose final combine, and this is what I want, right? Only the output. I don't think I even need this. I only need the output in PNG, and let's build it. And build is going to tell me to choose a file name. Hills, maybe. I already have hills, mountain. right? Save it. And it's gonna take a while since we did 4K, and I'll come back to you once it's done. So it's done. So after it's done, this is how it looks like. So you have the file combined PNG file, so like 11 megabyte. So this is it. This is the height map. This, you can take this height map, which is 16-bit, and import it into any other 3D rendering software or game engine to create your terrain there. I want to show you a few other things. You can also add textures. I mean, I don't use texturing in Gaea. I do it in Unreal Engine 4, but that's the only place I use. If you add texturing um, node, and it's going to, it has this, there you go, it add automatic texture to it, and this tells you, like, you have grass, you have snow, you have rock. This will be the rock areas. We can also add like water level. What happened? Oh, there you go. Wow, too much water. There you go. This is good enough. See that? The water is here. So it's like nice lake here, right? This is what you want, right? Also, there's like it connects the ocean. Nice lake here as well. So here you go. This is, I added some materials, some foliages, and this is what I have. The mountains are huge. This is 4K. I'm trying to find lakes. I have this is huge, guys. Oh my god, I don't think I'll be able to find it by like walking like this. Let me see if I can zoom out. So we have some lakes here. So this is how it looks. Pretty cool. And this is the terrace that we created, and the mountains on the four corner. That's one of them, and this is the one in the middle, right? This is on the side, in one of the corner, and these are like small pond or lake, whatever you want to call it. This is connects to the ocean. This is a mountain that we created by using the draw node, right? This is pretty cool. This one looks really nice. This one looks like a real mountain because it's like a chained, and this is humongous. See, if I put myself in top of the mountain, as you can see, even the terrace is huge. If I place myself here, like that, see, each crack in the terrace is huge, and let me put myself in the top of the mountain, see how it looks like. Yeah, I'm at the top, like the peak of the Mount Everest. There you go. So this is the peak. We have grasses here. As you can see the lakes on pretty much. You could see the entire map from here. It looks very realistic, very nice. There should be snow up here, by the way. So this is how it looked like if it was a cold weather or during winter, I guess. Looks pretty cool. Anyway, I hope you guys found it useful. Gaea is very useful and super fast, and easily you can create different kind of landscape. This is video part 1. I will show you more, probably like how to create, this is like how to create mountains quickly using the mountain node and the draw node. I'll show you how to create like probably desert or different kind of desert or canyon or something similar to Grand Canyon. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, press the like button to show your support, and until next time, goodbye.